Did you know that aside breastfeeding your baby for nourishment, there are some unexpected ways you can use your breast milk and it will be beneficial for your baby and also to yourself as a breastfeeding mom? So I'll be sharing with you guys some unexpected ways you can use your breast milk to help benefit your baby and yourself. Remember guys, I'm just a mom of 3 sharing her experience. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a pediatrician, I'm not a child doctor. So do well to consult your doctor before trying any home remedy. Because despite the fact breast milk can help relieve your baby from some certain symptoms or rashes, it's still good to consult your doctor if there's any further help the doctor can do. So don't just rely on breast milk, especially when the symptoms refuse to go. So all these I'll be sharing are things I've tried, I've tasted it, and I trusted the process and it worked well for me. I believe with breast milk, there's no harm in trying because this is just breast milk. It's natural. So because when you're giving your baby a bath in the shower, sometimes water goes into the eyes, water goes into the ears and the nose and just a little. So that's why I use breast milk, because it's breast milk. Even if it goes in there, just like water, there's no harm. So the first thing is ear infection. Just a drop of breast milk in your baby's ear every few hours can help ease the discomfort that ear infection causes. And then you just continue nursing your baby because the sucking motion can help your baby get over an ear infection easily. But remember guys, breast milk does not 100% cure every ear infection. So if symptoms persist after a day or thereabout and your baby is having a temperature, please go to the doctor. And then for your baby's eyes, it's common for babies to have teary eyes or crusty eyes in the first few months of their life. So it's usually caused by blocked tear ducts. So just drop a few breast milk into their eyes and this will help treat this condition. But remember guys, if anything persists and there is much concern, please go see the doctor. Breast milk is not medicine, 100% medication for eye problems in babies, but it can help for situations like this. Then the next one is baby acne. Acne in newborns can be present right from birth, and when they develop within weeks, baby tend to have acne. So usually these breakouts can clear out on their own, but breast milk can help ease it and help your baby's sensitive skin. So just soak up a cotton ball in breast milk and softly pat on your baby's face. Sometimes I do this when I breastfeed my babies. I purposely just squirt breast milk onto their face, and it's just like a moisturizer for their face. And then whenever it's bath time, I just wash it off. Yeah, so this is what I do. I do that very often. So babies tend to have sensitive skin that can dry easily. So this tends to cause eczema on baby's skin. So just drip some breast milk on cotton ball and apply it on any affected area on your baby, and that will be fine. And sometimes you can just give your baby like a breast milk bath. How I usually do that sometimes is when I've got leftover breast milk from a feed, instead of throwing it away because it already has bacteria inside, instead of throwing it away, just gather them up and store it in your freezer. So when you want to give your baby just a nice treatment like a spa bath, you just put it inside and it helps. That breast milk helps to nourish your baby's skin, and that will clear any rash or eczema and all those things. Then teething. If your baby is teething, you can freeze breast milk into popsicle for your baby. And if you've already started introducing solids to your baby, you can mix it up with fruits or vegetable, and that's a nice treat for the baby and also help to soothing the gum when they are teething. Then sore throat. If your newborn has a cold or suffer from a sore throat, don't stop breastfeeding. Keep breastfeeding. Breast milk can help to soothe the throat and ease the pain because it contains natural nutrients, and it can help the baby build resistance and beat the cold faster. So don't stop breastfeeding your baby. And then for mommies, if your nipples are sore, try and rub a few drops of breast milk on the affected area to help soften and ease the problem. But make sure you see your doctor, because sometimes if the nipple pain is caused by yeast or thrush, then breast milk might even make it worse. So that's the case whereby you need to see your doctor first. Yeah, breast milk can make it worse because breast milk contains sugar and it can make the sore impossible to go. Yeah, so you need to make sure you see your doctor, especially if it's caused by yeast or thrush. And finally, as a breastfeeding mom, just keep breastfeeding your baby because studies have shown that breastfeeding can help reduce the risk of breast cancer and diabetes in moms. So keep breastfeeding your babies. Breast milk is called liquid gold for a reason, so make the most out of it while you can. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.